Good morning, ladies and gentlemen,
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls.
boys and girls.
My name is Munyarati Tangile,
My name is Munyarati Tangile,
but also known as AC, Ambassador of Christ.
but also known as AC, Ambassador of Christ.
I'm here to recite a poem entitled The Great Legend, Mr. Jerosiri.
I am here to present my poem entitled The Great Legend, Mr. Jairus Jiri.
Mr. Jerosiri was a legend.
Mr. Jairus Jiri was a legend.
He was great.
He was great.
And all that was him was perfect.
And all that was in him was perfect.
He was generous.
He was generous.
He was the only hero who planned for our future.
He was the only hero who planned for our future.
All salutations to the legend.
All salutations to the legend.
Because of him, we are now learners.
Because of him, we are now learners.
Because of Mr. Jerosiri, we are now seen as human beings.
Because of Mr. Jairus Jiri, we are now seen as human beings.
Because of the legend, we are now champions.
Because of the legend, we are now champions.
We are now able to make it in life.
We are now able to make it in life.
May his soul rest in peace.
May his soul rest in peace.
Thank you.
Thank you.